Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely repair iTunes on Windows 11. If iTunes is crashing, not opening, or failing to sync on your Windows 11 device, you don't always need to reinstall it. The built-in repair option can fix corrupted app files without deleting your music library, playlists, or even Apple ID data. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to hit the start button and then select the settings app. Alternatively, you can just press Windows plus I shortcut on your keyboard to launch the settings app. And then you have to hit the apps option located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose Install Apps option. It's worth pointing out that it will display a list of all programs installed on your computer. Now you have to scroll down to find iTunes and then hit the triple dot icon located right next to it. Then you have to choose Advanced Options in the menu. Then you have to scroll down to find Repair button and click on it. Windows will now attempt to fix the app without removing your data. Now make sure to wait for the process to complete and then you have to restart your PC to ensure changes take effect without any complications. And that's about it. Repairing iTunes on Windows 11 is often the quickest way to eliminate crashes, launch errors, or syncing problems without touching your personal media files. Since the repair option focuses only on fixing damaged or missing app components, it's a safe first step before considering a full reset or reinstall option. And once the process is complete and your PC has restarted, open iTunes and test syncing or playback to confirm everything is working smoothly. However, if the issue still persists, you can then move on to the reset option, knowing you have already tried the least disruptive solution first. Now that you've unlocked this pretty reliable and handy solution, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.